Hi, I'm Gary Ford. I'm the owner of Eastern Safe & Lock. We started in business in 1985. It's a family-owned business. My brother, my son, my wife all work here at the company. We have about 15 employees. Eastern Safe & Lock has a large facility. Our location is in Lorton. We're very close to Alexandria and Springfield. The closest intersection is Cinderbed and Hill Park Drive. We service from Fredericksburg all the way up into Baltimore, all the way out to Manassas, Gainesville, Winchester, and as far into Maryland as Waldorf. Eastern Safe & Lock has been a member of ALOA since 1983. All of the employees here are all certified. They're licensed under the Department of Criminal Justice Services. We are also members of the Safe & Vault Association. Eastern Safe & Lock is a full-service locksmith company. We do safes, locks, alarms, vault doors. We can move most any type of safe that needs to be moved. We have high security lock. We have Medico, ASA, Mul-T-lock, Primus. Any type of high security needs, we certainly can provide access and service to that. If you live in the Northern Virginia, Washington, D.C. area, call Eastern Safe & Lock for all of your locksmithing needs.